Alright guys, what is up? We are doing the gun review of Scorpion Evo, and just running the classic gun setup, no attachments and that stuff. Alright, so the rate of fire is honestly the best out of all of the SMGs. The damage is also the best. They're equal with fire rate and damage, but I know this isn't a quality setup there, but the recoil from far range, no, it's not really that good. But with the other key factors of damage and fire rate, it makes up for it. So the range isn't honestly the worst out of the SMGs, but it's good for the low range of firefights. So in the accuracies, it's middle. It's the same as the MP7. So I will jump right into some gameplay. See you there. Hello guys, welcome. We are doing the Scorpion Evo Gunrava. Awesome C4 kill right there. True action. The gun. Oh gosh, I had to stutter there. The gun review, right? The gun review. I mean the gun. Gosh, I'm studying like crazy. The gun has pretty good rate of fire, but with the good rate of fire, it has a lack of not rapid fire, but it's gosh, can't think of the name. It's the gosh, recoil, yes. With the good rapid fire, it has a lack of recoil. So it's good, really good close range, but from far range it is not really that good. It's not the best. I just do these to maybe show you how they are and just that good stuff. And yeah, so the damage on this gun, I'm pretty sure it's pretty good because it does not have a good range. That means it would have pretty good damage. And it's fully auto. The mag size is fairly large. It's not the biggest, but it's fairly large. So yeah, I'm just running the classic double C4, flashbang, lightweight, scavenger, all that good stuff. And yeah, so once in March, I'm going to do some PC gameplay, and there's going to be a special feature on March 1st. So that is it for this gun review, and I will see you guys later. Bye.